Hi, hello. Are you losing motivation to lose weight after doing exercise or following diets after 2 weeks? Are you stuck in a rabbit hole to lose a belly fat or extra pounds from your body? Don't worry. In this video, you will get all the answer to your problems in this one program how going to change everyone's belief about the diets. Let's imagine after 14 days you were 50 pounds short where you are now with restricting your favorite food, and now completely ready to try your favorite dress which sleeps inside your wardobe. Sounds interesting. Let's get started. Welcome everyone for the another exciting video with superb exciting program in the talk of the town. That's 14-day rapid soup diet program. Before that, unlike other soup diet reviews on the internet, I'm not here to scare you with some shocking survey results or statistics. A year ago, I've gone through all these reviews on Google to find whether the 14-day rapid soup diet program works or not. There are many fake reviews by people who never even know what really inside the program. So, I decided to come forward with the study that covers all pros and cons of Josh's 14-day rapid soup diet program. So it would be my honest opinion that reading the 14-day rapid soup diet review till the end without missing any points will give you clarification about the 14-day rapid soup diet ebook. So let's get going with the 14-day rapid soup diet review. In this video we are going to see what is 14-day rapid soup diet mean, how it will add benefits for us, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this 14-day rapid soup diet, who will follow and for whom it will not works, what we will get inside this 14-day rapid soup diet. Let's see one by one. Now let's jump into sales page of this program of what truth and facts are producing. And what are the promises they make in order to make our problems overcome. He promised by here. Women and men over 50 are melting belly fat at an alarming rate thanks to a simple daily ritual that burns abdominal fat 240% faster. Without cutting calories, losing 1 jean size in a week kills hunger and the most intense cravings. In just 1 week, blood pressure and blood sugar levels are dramatically improved. Lose up to 4 sizes in 4 weeks while reducing aches and fatigue. So he begins by telling the narrative of how this application he built changed his entire life. However, we will not see all of them. If you have time, read them. In this video, we will just cover the most crucial factors to help you make an informed decision. First, what is mean by 14-day rapid soup diet? This weight reduction plan is designed for persons who wish to lose weight quickly. Results in 2 weeks. Josh created this 14-day weight loss regimen because many people dislike month-long diet regimes. They immediately lose motivation and quit in the middle of the race. This diet emphasizes vegetables as a source of healthful proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates. That is correct. When you start doing this, your body will burn stored fat and inflammation will be reduced. You will also have more energy, your discomfort will subside, your brain fog will dissipate, and your attention will improve. You'll get different breakfast, lunch, and supper options, and you may make the same recipe numerous times if you like it. However, it is a good idea to try each dish once and then stick to the ones you enjoy. Oh, and before I forget, the eating plan included in this program is for 7 days, and you must follow it twice to complete one cycle. Many people repeat the diet because it is simple, enjoyable, and, most importantly, it produces results every week. Next, what are going to get inside this 14-day rapid soup diet? Number 1, 14-day rapid soup diet. This book will teach you how to apply this eating plan to get the best results possible. This cookbook includes breakfast, lunch, and dinner meals. It is up to you to stick to a particular recipe during the 14-day schedule. Number 2. Recipes for immunity-boosting soups. These days, having a healthy immune system is essential. This book features dishes that can help improve your immune system, and the greatest part is that they're delicious, so you'll be more likely to stick with it. Number 3. Weekend Soup Detox. This is the most popular book in the program, with people losing up to 5 pounds by following the soup detox recipes. Number 4. Keto Soup Cookbook. This book explains how to incorporate the keto diet into a soup diet. The ketogenic diet is a popular weight loss plan that has helped many people lose weight. Number 5. Rapid Soup Diet Quick Start Guide. This book will teach you everything you need to know about the soup diet in no time. This guide has everything you need, from a grocery list to meal planning. If you have any questions, you may send an email to the author, who will respond to your inquiry. Number 6. Keto Immunity Smoothies. If you're in a rush and don't have time to cook your meals, you can substitute keto smoothies from this book for your recipe. And author has given 5 rules to get the desired results to achieve your weight loss journey. What are they? Make sure you follow the 14-day Rapid Soup Diet's 5 rules to the letter. If you shatter it, you'll have to start from scratch. Take a look at the Rapid Soup Diet's 5 rules. Track your progress. Before utilizing any program, I suppose this is necessary. To keep track of your progress, you must weigh yourself and take measurements. Make a list of your waist, hips,